this addiction to planting plants in anything but a pot. So I'm in here looking for something to plant my baby boy's sunflower in. It got kind of big this weekend. I think I'm gonna get him just a little thing like this. I'm gonna see if I can find some letters and put his little name on it. So cute. You having a little birthday party for your kids, y'all. Look at these. Oh God, they got the bumblebee ones. Come on. This is so cute. They got a little monkey one right there. Let's see what else ones they got. I thought I saw a little piggy. Look, the panda. Got a little panda. What's this one on top? That one's just striped. I like that one though too. Let's see. It's just a little blue one. Those are so adorable, y'all. Look at these little striped ones. So many things you could do with that. Oh, too cute. This new look. Oh, come on. This is gonna become the place to decorate like your home office and your car. Look at these, y'all. Get them loose. Got those in like 3 pretty pastel colors. Oh, and this is nice. I think I've seen these before. Is that what they call the houndstooth design? You could decorate even your bathroom up out of here, y'all. Everything just looks so nice. Now it's new. Again, I say new, but it's new to me. Y'all might have already seen it. These LED flower lights. 120 total hours. So are these like the tea lights? Oh, that would be so cool if these were the tea lights. 120 total hours. I think they are. Just looking at the bottom of them, I think they're like those little tea lights. What's this? Oh, that's just a little paperweight. These. Oh, cute. It's pumice stone for your feet. Look at these, y'all. This is pumice stone for your feet. You can add these to your Mother's Day gift baskets. It looks like they got them here in these 2 different designs. Hold that handle and get to work. Has anybody ever called you Sugarfoot? Now they got these Sugarfoot files. This is a really great idea. A Sugarfoot file. They got them in these 3 different colors. So I'm guessing they dissolve as you use them. So that could be very economical. They got some new makeup brush holders too. Of course, this could be anything. This could be like a pencil holder. Definitely something to add to your Mother's Day basket. And look at these claws they got, y'all. Got some new claws. That purple is pretty, but I love. I thought these were brown. But check this out. That's nice. Every time I pick up one, I see another one that I like even more. Look at these, y'all. The metallic fashion nails. Gold and white. I love it. Oh, these are so necessary. So this is a 3-pack of these. They're $1.25. You can store like little bobby pins and safety pins, hair bows, snack containers with lids. So yeah, I was thinking of storing anything but snacks. But yeah, they're great for snacks too for $1.25. They had these at Dollar Tree. They got the watermelon ones here. And so they only have the peach ones at Sam's Club. But they got these. I really want to try these, y'all. If you do like mukbangs or like food reviews, y'all try these and let me know. Check out these signs. Hustle, hit, never quit. There's no place like home. Those will make great decorations for the kids' room, especially if they're into sports. Oh, look at these. Let's chill. I was hoping it said something else on the other side. Oh, but it has a light in it. Get it, girl. Shine bright. And shh, coffee first. Add that to your desk at work. Ooh, y'all. Dollar Tree is starting to get more and more like clothing. Like they got those t-shirts right there. I went to one the other day. They had scrubs. Then they got this multi-purpose bandana, which they may have already had this at the Dollar Tree near you. But at Dollar Tree near me, these are new to me. I could make this into like a head wrap. So many possibilities. They got out some more of their 4th of July stuff. This is a gnome penguin. It has like a heavy bottom so it won't fall over. Gnome decor. Got some cute Mother's Day stuff too. If you're making a Mother's Day basket. My goodness, look at this. These are so, oh, and it has a light up press mini. Looks like they got the pink ones. Do these light up too? Oh, y'all, you need these. These things are so necessary this summer. Look. Press mini. It's a button at the bottom. I think that button's covered up. Those are so nice, y'all. These bags too that they got. Follow Your Dreams by Juncture. So this is a brand I'm seeing more and more of in Dollar Tree. Those bands I showed you guys earlier are by Juncture. This one says, be positive. Life is a beautiful ride. And made for sunny days. Live in full bloom. And these are great for when you go to Aldi too. Start doing it. Stop dreaming, start doing. Be positive. Those are all very positive messages. And oh, they got some even cuter cups. We are definitely having us a Little Mermaid party. Oh, I love this one. They even got some different signs than they had the last time. Summer is a state of mind. I need vitamin C. I love that one, y'all. It says, hey, y'all. They got this one, too. That one's really pretty. That one says, blessed. That one says, home, sweet home. I love that blessed one and the hey, y'all. Look at these. They got the marine animal string lights. We'll definitely be having these at our Little Mermaid themed party. It's funny. I'm seeing so much fall stuff out. I love fall most of all. And yes, this is May 1st, 2023. Oh my God, I love fall. It's as though we are throwing shade at summer. Y'all look at these mirrors. These are nice. They are plastic, but you cannot tell. I couldn't tell until I grabbed it. And they got, looks like they got a couple of different designs. They got that flower shaped one. Then they got this one right here. And then they got that design right there. I think this one's my favorite for sure. Again, it's really lightweight. It's plastic, but you cannot tell at all. Y'all, this just made me giggle when I turned the corner. Look, now they are selling hair braids at Dollar Tree, but they come 3 to a pack. You can get 3 crochet braids, so you could get into a fight, or you could just be short 3 braids when you get your hair done. As long as you're only short 3. I mean, of course you can buy multiple packs, but Dollar Tree got you. They're looking out.